HR by Karen's HR in the Know, and today's topic is on unplugging. When was the last time you unplugged and took care of yourself? I talk about this often because it's not said enough, and I think that I do it because I don't do it enough. Let's face it, I'll be the first one to hold myself accountable. Last weekend, July 4th weekend, I unplugged all 3 days. I didn't open my laptop. I didn't make calls, look at my emails, do any work. I actually cleaned my house. Well, didn't actually clean the house. I kind of hung up my clothes, put things away, organized, and I even read a book. I can't tell you the last time it was that I read a book. So this weekend, take time for you. Unplug. Be present in whatever you are doing and have a great weekend.